Hello, it's SCHR1234 from Super Gaming, and today we are going to be looking at how to make detonators in GameMaker 8.1. So first, we're going to go into GameMaker. And just so you know, you don't need the full version to do this. And so first we're going to load our sprites. So let's get the detonator, put detonator off. Okay. Load a new sprite. We'll call this detonator on. Okay. And now we're gonna load a sprite. We're gonna call it It's gonna be the dynamite pack. I'm just gonna call it bomb. Load another sprite. Wall. Get this one, call it wall cracked. Okay. Okay, so now we have these. Now we're going to create the objects. We're going to call this detonator with the detonator off for its sprite. We're going to add an event. So I'm going to show you how you can set it up so when you click on it it'll work, and in the next episode it'll be how to make it work with a character. So we're going to add mouse left button. It's going to change the sprite of itself to detonator on. Okay. Say OK for now. And make a new object. Call it bomb with the bomb sprite. And say OK. Go back into detonator and left button. Oh yes, there's one more sprite we're gonna need. Call this explosion. Oops. Explosion. Okay. Change sprite. So we're back in the detonator with the left button pressed. It will change the sprite of the object bomb to explosion. So now let's make a room and test it. So we're going to put the bomb here and the detonator here, and let's see how that looks. Okay, so you press it, the explosion just keeps going, but that doesn't really do anything. So also, we are going to say set alarm 0 to 15 steps, which is half a second. And then add event alarm 0. So that makes it so when alarm 0 goes off, it will destroy the object bomb. Okay, so now it should look like this. So it looks more realistic. Now create an object wall with the sprite wall. And create another object called wall 2 with the sprite wall. So we have two things that look the same, and they're solid. So nothing can get through, the player can't get through. If you want, you can change this to the wall cracked for now, just so you can see the difference. And you need to do this very carefully. So take your object wall 2, place that where you want the wall to get blown up, and take the other wall and place it everywhere else. Like that. Okay. And now we're going to go into detonator. So when alarm 0 goes off, it's also going to destroy the instant wall 2. Okay. Oh wait. Just a second. To add change sprite of object wall 2 to wall cracked. Say OK. Now open up wall 2, change it to normal wall, and now when we test our game, it should look like this. Like this. So it looks like there's just a wall. We press the detonator and it blows up. So I hope that helped, and please leave a comment if you have any questions, and if you have any requests for how to set this up more complicated, I will make a video on that. So bye.